having trouble navigating Brightspace, or they tell me they are. So I'm going to quickly walk through how to get to the content you need to get to. I'm going to do it with my Anatomy 1 course, but I'm going to share this with both classes. So when you get to Brightspace, you should see a screen that looks like this. And if you scroll down, you should have your courses listed here. I have 2 courses, the 2 that I teach, Physiology 2 and Physiology 1. Like I said, I'm going to walk through it in Physiology 1, but the same will apply for 2. It's set up almost the same. So you click on a course you want to get into, and the first thing you will see are announcements. I have a lab announcement this week. Earlier there was a welcome back announcement. You can see that if you click show all announcements. There's 2 ways you can get to the content. You can scroll down and get to, excuse me, I got to sneeze. Don't worry, I'm in a dusty basement, that's all. You can go down to the content browser below the announcements and you would see chapter 11. If you click on chapter 11, it will open up that folder, and the first assignment in chapter 11 is here, intro and part 1. It's a video assignment. You can also go up here to the content and do the same thing. If you click on that, it will start you with wherever you left off. You go down to the side. So here you would click chapter 1, and that would give you the video assignment right there. And just to make sure this is what you're seeing, I'm going to quickly switch to view as learner. Looks like it took me back to here. So chapter 11, we see the same thing, intro and part 1. If I click on that, it takes me to the video that I am supposed to watch. And after I have watched that video, it will say that I did it. I click next and it will take me to the homework for questions of section 1. If I click on that, this is going to be a little different for me. It's going to take me to the summary, the description, the instructions, and then mine says click start quiz to begin attempt number 1. Timer won't start until the process is finished. I got to change this a little bit so that you can see what the quiz is going to look like. So let me go back to again, I'll go from content this time to the list, homework for section 1. If I click on that, it's going to take me to my setup of it, and I'll hit preview. And this is what your homework for question 1 should look like. You won't be able to bypass restrictions. You'll see the description, the details, the current time. Your name should be here. There's a suggested time. That doesn't make any difference. You're not going to be kicked out. You're not going to lose the access to it. Then there are instructions, and the time. Then it's down here, says start quiz. If you hit start quiz, it will look like this. And there are 11 pages to this. You go through, answer, and again, these questions are the questions that are going to be on the test, the final exam you're going to have over this course. You submit the quiz, and you can do that up to 3 times. Only your highest score will be recorded. Okay. If there's anything else you're having trouble navigating, please give me a message, and we'll try to figure it out, maybe with a video again.